bugs, and we're back yet again for another ding 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 lip butter video. Did you guess it? Well, anyway, we're gonna measure out our butters as per usual, and we're gonna get this show on the road. This one is going to be strawberry mint, and then in the last videos we had mint and strawberry, so this is a mix of both, obviously. So it's like a jubilee or julep, yeah, like a mint julep, so strawberry mint julep, if you will. I don't believe I've ever had anything like that or even smelled anything like that. Can anybody tell me what like a mint julep is, or like what it smells like? Is it like a cake or something? And I hope I don't sound like a complete idiot asking that, but I seriously don't know. So don't judge me, just teach me. We learn something new every day, especially for things that we aren't exposed to on a regular or daily basis. Just trying to get these measurements correct. I definitely know I'm gonna have to take out my other container. Sometimes for little projects like this, I buy these small containers of organic shea butter. There's no need to like wax them off from a 5-pound bucket. Okay, so I do have to get some more. I'm just gonna pause you guys. Okay, Sesame, unpause. We have another container here, so we can finish this off. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Somebody please tell me what the heck a mint julep is, and you know, teach me something new. I love learning. Knowledge is power. Yeah. So don't hurt my feelings because I don't know what it is, or haven't ever heard of it, or had one, or it. I don't know what it is. Okay, and now for our oil. If I can get the container open. And for the third time, water bath, lip flavor, and in the tube. Be back. Okay, bugs, so our last lip butter of the day. Instead of scenting the last bit of mix I made, since we have so much of these two left, we're going to just combine the two. And I'm going to take a new pipette, and we're going to mix these well. To give it the sniff test. I need a little bit more strawberry and a little bit more mint, and we'll be good to go. And I'm just gonna do 2 drops of peppermint. 2. That was 3. But that one snuck out on us a little bit. So mix this up. And we don't have to add any vitamin E because it already has vitamin E from the leftover bits of these two butter concoctions. And we just need another drop of mint. It's more strawberry than anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And without the wax, this is staying very, very liquidy and fluid, which is another reason why I put the other butters and the last ones that we made in the freezer. I told you guys before, I'm impatient. Patience is a virtue that I do not have. Maybe when I have children, I'll gain some. But I don't know, because I've been around, let me see, I had my first nephew when I was about maybe 10, 9, 10, something like that, something or another. And then, no, it was probably like more 12 or 13. I'm not sure, but he's old. And then I have another nephew that is 16, so they're both old. I have a niece that is 16, one that is 15, actually 2 that are 16, one that is 15, one that's 3. I have 4 godchildren, 3 girls and 1 boy. So I'm a busy soul, even though I don't have children of my own. Okay, I think we finally got to the perfect mix for me. It smells a little sweet and it smells a little mint. But I'm just gonna do, I can't help myself. I'm sorry, guys. I know you're like, put it in the damn tubes already. But I can't help myself. Okay, that's way better than me. So let's move these over here so we can pipe inside our capsules, top them with their caps, and move them over into the freezer. But yeah, maybe once I'm patient with kids, even ones that aren't, obviously ones that are my own, meaning like my godchildren, but like my nieces and nephews, they obviously, any kid can irritate anybody, but you know, I've learned over the years, so maybe when I have my own, I'll have even more patience, because right now I just have none. I hate waiting for things, like the anticipation kills me. So I don't know, maybe when I have a baby, it's like, ugh, you're not 1 already, ugh, you're not 10 already, and then I'll be regretting it, like, no, go back to being a baby. Because that's exactly how I feel right now with my nephew. We all live together as a family, and he's 16, like I said. And I mentioned before in another video, he's a part of the law enforcement program called the Explorers. And that's for young men and women that are interested in making law enforcement a career. But anyway, and he's the chief, by the way, for his troop, which is, you know, we're very proud of. And he works hard to keep his position and to get his position. They had a vote, so they voted him in, which means, you know, he rightfully got it. But yeah, and when he was a baby, oh my gosh, he was my baby. I spoiled him rotten. I got in, I was smaller back then, obviously, so, but I got in the crib with him. He slept in my bedroom. I always played with him. Like, he was my baby. My sister was like, ugh, like, give me my child. I'm like, yeah, you birthed him, but he's my baby. I was actually a sophomore in high school, and I was very, very, when she gave birth to him, because she had him during the summertime. And it was funny because all of my friends, I was very chunky my freshman year of high school, very chunky. I was so big at that time. I was 14 years old, and I wore a size 16, 18, I believe. I was very, very chunky. I loved candy then. I love candy now, and it's basically all that I eat. But, you know, and over the summer, you know, I had a lot more friends, and, you know, I was able to do a lot more things, go a lot more places. You know, I was 15 years old. It wasn't like I was going far or running off with any boys or anything like that. But, you know, my mom, you know, let me go outside. I wasn't sheltered as a child. I wasn't kept in a cage. So, you know, I lost a good deal of weight, you know, and I walked basically everywhere I went. So going from a freshman being the size 18, and I'm capping these now because I mentioned to you guys before I'm going to put them in the freezer, but I'm going from a 14-year-old that's a size 18 to a 15-year-old that's in a size 12, like literally over the summer. And I obviously started losing weight before school let out, but everybody swore up and down, and especially because he looked like me, you know, that he was my son. And I was like, do you guys not know who my mother is? Like, I'm not bringing any babies in this house at the age of 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20, okay? So no, it didn't happen. He's really my nephew. I didn't secretly give birth to a child during the summer of, what is that, 02. So yeah, but these are my lip butters. I'm going to do a little demo of this one. I'll keep this for myself, and I'll show you guys my little pretty pouty lips. Actually right now they're greasy because I have on Twisted Peppermint from Bath and Body Works, and I like the scent, can't stand the gloss. It's very sticky, and I just don't like it. When I put on glosses, and this is the same way that I make my gloss, I like it to be like a sheen and not sticky. And this is sticky, and I mean, I paid $6 for this. You would think that it wouldn't be like you have old sugar on your lips, but that's how it feels, and I can't stand it. Maybe you have a different opinion, but I don't like lip glosses like this. And then it's like, you know, if you talk too much or whatever, you start getting that white stuff in the cracks of your mouth, and it's not cute. So I don't like that. But I'm going to use it for the time being since I purchased it. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. I'm going to do a demo. Well, I'll show you some pictures of my lips with this. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. So be well and stay blessed. Bye for now. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.